This is the MacIntosh apples Mandela effect. MacIntosh apples have changed in the spelling of the word Macintosh. It used to be spelled Macintosh for Macintosh, and it was the apples, and I'm talking about the fruit. This is not a new Mandela effect, and I wanted to make a video to document what I found. So the history of the MacIntosh apples names comes from a man named John McIntosh. He was born in the United States and moved to Canada, and one day he was cutting down the forest around his farm, and he came across some planted fruit trees. One of these fruit trees was an apple tree, and that tree bore especially tasty red apples. That's how the MacIntosh apples got their name. Macintosh apples were so popular that even a computer was named after them. This is my research. Take a look. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.